Today we're going to do a video on setting up the skimmer, and I highly recommend you get a skimmer, because if you don't, what's going to end up happening is whatever filters into this is all that you'll catch in your filter pump. But if you put a skimmer up here, you'll be surprised at how much debris will be pulled towards the skimmer and filtered out, and it makes your pool look marvelous. Intex Skimmer. I really love this thing. It's the best thing I've done since we bought the pool. It takes all the debris off the surface and really filters like you wouldn't believe. And sometimes what I'll do, like if I'm mowing and it's running, I'll put a pantyhose around this thing right here to get finer filtration while I'm mowing. And it's pretty simple. Like I said, it just sits just like this. Here's your basket. And then this goes into here like so. And then this hooks up to your pool just like this, and I'm going to show you that step by step. This screws into where I showed you earlier, where I took the little screen off. It's the suction side, one of two. What I like to do is just hand tighten it. This other one over here, as you can see, has a black hat on it. It keeps the pressure, gives me more pressure over here on this side. That side's blanked off. Mounting bracket, you put it here like this, slide it in. What I like to do is just go ahead and fill it water like so. Kind of equalizes it. And we put this here, tighten this up. Got it attached to the side where we want it. And just drop this bucket in. It's pretty simple. Two parts, like so. This retainer ring keeps it up. Drop it in there just like so. And now you're ready to filter. Now I've got everything in here. Got the basket and whatnot. We do definitely need to do some netting, but I'm going to show you how well this works. Can you see that? That's amazing. Instantly, it's starting to work. And that is very exciting. Let that run for a couple of hours, and your pool will almost be clean. One is hooked up to the skimmer, and the other side is blanked off with what I call a top hat, or it goes inside of the gray piece there that we unscrewed earlier, and it basically blanks it off and gives me more suction power to my skimmer. And as you can tell, it's really working. 5 minutes of this skimmer has done already, and it's, like I said, 5 minutes. It's crazy. If you can see all this stuff that's captured. That's 5 minutes, folks. Put it right back in there. This thing really works. Well worth the money that we spent.